What's happening, guys? It's that time of year again where people interrupt the video. Yes, we are going on our 4th European tour, and yes, you are correct, this is not a motorbike, this is my van. Bosh. So this time we're going in the vans. We've got the bikes loaded up in the back, all our luggage. I've got a suitcase in there. The weather is a bit crap, so it was definitely a good shout. The plan is to get down to Dover, get on the Eurotunnel, and we're going to just bomb it down to Germany / Switzerland and then find a base, leave our stuff there. But at the minute we're just stopping for the services and going getting a coffee or another one, second one of the day. Bosh. Oh, we're getting out, all getting out. Right, okay, we're all getting out. Yeah, in a bit, mate.
Awesome.
That's sick for me. Look at it. See yourself in that. And it's sick. It's not sick. Grow up, mate.
Where's he fucking going? Antarctica. Fat. Oh, mate.
Can't say that, mate. Your skin tight fucking gym top that you've never been to gym before in your life.
You got any money, you?
Me loads, why?
Because you look like you've got none.
Look. What are you laughing at, mate? I'll bang you right out.
What's you laughing at?
You never got any money? It's like I'm skinned.
What's my chewing gum t-shirt? It's not exactly white, is it?
I've had it like for 2 years.
Exactly. You got any money, you?
He said he's older than his jeans at 54.
Trendy that. Trendy.
Look at me van, mate. It looks sick. You can't deny it. Oh, oh, fucking chewing gum t-shirt, the scruff. Feet are piss wet through already. Oh, thank you. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna cut that. That's better. Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna. So sit rep. Let's have a look, what's going on here. Yeah, so sit rep, guys and girls and guys. I'm just letting my 800 subscribers on YouTube know what's going down.
Oh, imagine not having 1,000, mate.
So the current time is 8:31. Oh, is it? Oh, I'm pulling out, I'm pulling out.
Having 1,000 and only having 800.
So it's currently 8:31. We are just at Knutsford Services off the M6, which is the northwest for people that don't live in England.
Everybody here?
Yeah, we're all here, all good. So anyway, yeah, back to what I was blabbering on about. We're going to get to Folkestone at 20 past 2, get on the train, and then we're going to go as far south or southeast as we can to get into Switzerland. But yeah, we're gonna find a base, leave the vans there for a couple of days, and keep going back to the same hotel every night. And that way we can just ride the bikes with no gear on it. Hang on. Quick pit stop. We've done already 2 hours of driving, maybe even 3 actually. And we've got 117 miles to go. We just stopped at this, I want to say, pretty put. Oh, there's one Muppet in there. Got these little walkie-talkie so we can give each other shit on the way down. Winding me up even though you're going to end up on YouTube looking like a right bell sniffer. Oh. Go on.
You've only got 800 followers, so not many people are going to see it.
That is not true, 801 actually. I bet that. What are you laughing at in there, you? Not important, why?
Fucking hell, Tom, take it away from you, mate, it's not food.
He's fucking done you there, drunkish again. Anyway, los geht's. That's German for let's go, mate. Hello! Averaging 37.1 miles to the gallon. So hopefully this year the camera options are a little bit, have a bit more finesse about them, because last year, fucking state of these two scrubbers on this trip. Just checking in again, guys. We've got 40 minutes to go. 50 miles to the tunnel. Absolutely smashed it. I think we stopped twice on the way down, but it's so much. So far, this jumping in the van business, way better. For us, it's 260 miles from Manchester, where we live, down to the Channel Tunnel, where we get the Eurostar to Calais. And it's been an absolute breeze. Stop when you want. I know you can do the same on your bikes, but it was pissing down this morning. So obviously nice and dry in here, temperature controlled. Charge all your gizmos up and give the boys some shit. Current time, guys and girls, is 14:33. So at this moment in time, I'm actually sat on the Eurostar train. We set off about half past 7 this morning. Met Tom about 8:30 because he lives about an hour away for the time being. And it's now 2:30 and we're on the train, so I'm really happy with that. So far, so good. We've had no COVID checks. We've had, they don't even check what's in our bloody van at the minute, which I can't believe. Oh, this is going to be so good, guys and girls. Everyone's got cameras this time as well, so there's no messing about. Black Beauty checking in. Black Beauty because my van's black and it's beautiful.
Yeah, everybody, mate.
My van's back home. It's back in France. Buzzing. Straight away, fucking traffic. Jeez Louise. Should have bought bikes. Okay, guys, we're nearly at the end of day one. We've stopped at the customary Mackie D's because we're in France. Oh, anyway. So what we tend to do is we drive as much as we can into Gooden. We drive as much as we can into a country, find out when we get tired, and then we'll stop for a coffee, book a hotel. It's just the way we do things. So we've got like another 2-hour drive now. It'll take us to 10:30. I'm gonna get to Saarbrücken, which is in Germany. So we've just passed through France, we're not stopping anywhere. Jobs are good one. Let's get the walkie-talkies back on so we can talk to the boys. Walkie-talkies on, boys.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, let's go on to the next one, boys and girls. It's getting a bit dark now. So we're on the final stretch, guys. 103 miles, an hour and 30 minutes, gets us there at 10:30. Nice and peaceful. We're staying in not Strasbourg. Where are we staying? Where are we staying? Where are we staying? Can't think now. Oh, Saarbrücken. We're staying. It's cost us £71 for a 3-bedroom, well, 3-bedroom, which we're absolutely buzzing with. So we keep it nice and cheap, nice and peaceful. Jobs are good, guys. Let's catch it up. Let's go get a beer. Just spoke to the lady at the desk in German, and he says we're nearly in Germany. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a long day. Well, it's now 11 PM and we've just got to our hotel. But worth it. Wir sind in Deutschland. What are you doing?
See you in a bit. That's buzzing.
Put lights on.
Lights on.
That's it. Oh, that's rubbish. Das ist nicht gut. Yes, see? This is buzzing, this is 70 quid, mate.
So how please you want me making a bit?
Cool, right. I don't suppose we can get a beer, can we? Is there a fridge in here?
No.
Gotta be a no. Right, okay, well, we'll see you in the morning, bright and early, peeps. Oh yeah, we're in Switzerland, guys. Look at that. GoPro probably doesn't do it justice. It's been a miserable morning. We've been in the van for 4 hours again, got another hour to go, and then we're finally getting the bloody bikes out. Jeez Louise. Also, bit of information. So, Calais to, did we go to Strasbourg? No, we went to Saarbrücken. It cost us €40 to get from Calais to Saarbrücken on the toll roads, which is not too bad to be fair. It's 300 mile, 400 mile. It's cost us another £5 to get out of France this morning into Germany for like 10 miles. And then we've just had to buy a toll pass for the year 2021, which was 40 francs. I've not done the exchange rate yet, but I think it's about 25-30 quid, is it? So that gets you on all the toll roads for the year. Maybe you could put that in advance, might be a bit of useful information if you're planning on coming. So another 55 miles to go. Find a hotel, drop the vans off, get the bikes out and go for a blast. Finally see some blue skies, look. Look all around, nothing but blue skies. Imagine waking up to this in the morning. So this is Steckelberg. We're going to book the cable car today, which is just up there. There's a guy here with a big truck. 1 second. Welcome. So we're going to go up to a few passes today, and then we're going to go up the cable car right up there. Dude. Quick bike cleaning time. Did you bin the rags? Yeah.
I'm screening my lights and anything else. Really bad.
Let's go see our room. Alright, this stuff. Yeah, man. Alright, let's get dressed and on the bicycles. Woo.